Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. Welcome to week 12. Week 12 we talk about health literacy and communication. It's another part of chapter 7, so chapter 7 part 2. Remember there's a little bit of a difference, right, in regards to your textbook. So it's chapter 7 in your hard copy textbook and it'll be chapter 9 in your ebook. All of which are the same. They just switch the chapters around. We've been over this before, but this talks about making sure we're able to communicate in a way that other people can understand in regards to healthcare, because healthcare can be complicated. Understanding its components is complicated, so make sure when we communicate to patients in a way that they can understand. So that's what these videos are about. The first video, of course, talks about confusion in healthcare. Are you confused? I think everyone is. So make sure to take a look at that, and it'll help you grasp a little bit more about how to communicate well in challenging situations. So you do have also some information about chapter 7 here, another small lecture, not as long as the first one, only about 12 minutes, so take a look at that. That's a requirement. So of course this is going to be about chapter 7, but in the ebook it's chapter 9, so take a look at that when you get a chance as well. There's a couple of different sections that I thought was interesting. I'll make sure those links work here in a bit. They did earlier, but make sure you take a look at that as well. Another thing, your discussion post, you're really the only thing that you have to do this week, no homework. So your discussion post, remember your initial post is due July 3rd by end of day, right before the holiday, so get that in before the holiday. And your reply is going to be due on the 7th, July 7th by end of day. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. One thing that I want to mention that's really important as we navigate the rest of this class, I'm going to pause the video for a second and switch to looking at the rest of the week so we can have an overview. 1 second. You can tell from the number of weeks that we have left. Right now we're on week 12 talking about health literacy and communication. Next week is culture and communication, and then we jump into week 14, which is final exam prep. During that week you'll have an overview of the final exam that I'll do via video. It'll be super helpful for you to prep for that final exam in week 15. So all of you that are questioning like what's going to be on the final exam, I'm worried about it, I need some details, a lot of information in week 14. So, I do a check-in, right, a few days before the week starts. That check-in will have an overview of what you need to study for in order to get a good grade in your final exam. So that's, I think, important information to take away from this video and, of course, take a note on. So I want to make sure that we're ready in that regard. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Let's really enjoy week 12, health literacy. I'm looking forward to your input in regards to discussion posts, and I appreciate all your efforts so far. Thanks so much.